Guys, I'm versing Casey right now. I'm definitely gonna lose. Casey is the best PvP on the server. No, okay, bullshit. Guys, yeah. So anyways, let me show you guys my base video settings. And these are your signs the faction put up. As a whole. This is our base though. This is where the owners are. This is where I am. This is where they are. Now slash home vault. Slash home. Our home faction. So I got these potions. I got my Omnilus. And I keep stuff right there. That's all I have to show you guys. Just cause I died, I wasn't praying on that. I mean, hoping on that. I mean, forget it. I guess I'll see you guys in another episode, and peace out.